See, in the previous live class, exercise 4.4, problem number 2, bit 2, you are asked to find the minors and cofactors. I have written all the minors like this, and you must know that cofactors are denoted by Aij, where I represents the row and J represents the column. Means how we get this Aij is equal to minus 1 power of I plus j into Mij. Minor values multiplied by minus 1 power of I plus j gives you the cofactors. Isn't it? Now, cofactors. How we get that? A11 is equal to minus 1 power of 1 plus 1 into M11. Minus 1 power, 1 plus 1 is minus 1 whole square is plus. So, this is minus 1 whole square into, what is M11? 11. So, this is equal to 11 because minus 1 whole square is plus 1. A12 is equal to minus 1 power of 1 plus 2 I plus j, I is 1, number of row, j is the column, into the value 6. Minus 1 whole cube becomes minus, so you are getting this as minus 1 into 6 is equal to minus 6. Then A13 is equal to minus 1 power of 1 plus 3 into M13. What is M13? 3. So minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1 into 3 is equal to 3. Next. So you have to remember the formula. Aij is equal to minus 1 power of I plus j into Mij, where M is the minor value. A21 equal to minus 1 power of 2 plus 1 into M21. M21 is how much? Minus 4. So this is minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 4. A22 is equal to minus 1 power of 2 plus 2 into M22 is 2. So this is 1 into 2 equal to 2. M23 is minus 1 power of 2 plus 3 into A23, sir. A23. M23 is 5. Minus 1 whole power 5 is minus into 5 is minus 5. A31 is equal to minus 1 power of 3 plus 1 into M31 is how much? Minus 20. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 is 1 into minus 20 is equal to minus 20. Then M32, A32, sorry. A32 is equal to minus 1 power of 3 plus 2 into M32 is minus 13. So this is equal to minus 1 into minus 13 is equal to plus 13. Lastly, A33 is equal to minus 1 power of 3 plus 3 into M33 is 5. Minus 1 whole power 6 is plus 1 into 5 is 5. Just see this. If you know how to find the minor values, alternately you multiply them minus and plus. Plus and minus. Plus 11. Minus 6. Plus 3. Minus of minus 4. Plus 4. Plus 2. Minus 5. Plus of minus 20 is minus 20. Minus of minus 13 is plus 13. Plus 5. Alternately give plus minus, multiply by plus, minus, plus. You will be getting the values of the cofactors. Next, problem number 3, using cofactors of second row, evaluate delta or determinant. Note down this. If A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, then determinant of A is denoted by delta. Already I gave notes on this. The sum of products of elements of a row or column and their respective cofactors So, how we get the determinant of a 3 by 3 determinant or 2 by 2 determinant is the sum of the products of elements of a row or column and their respective cofactors. Means this is equal to A11 into A11 plus A12 into capital A12, A13 into capital A13. A11, A12, A13 are the elements of the first row. Capital A11, capital A12, capital A13 are the cofactors of those elements. Isn't it? So, if you take the sum of the products of elements of a row or column and their cofactors, this is nothing but the determinant value. Or, if you take this one, A21, capital A21, A22, capital A22, plus A23, capital A23, or A31, capital A31, plus A32, capital A32, plus A33, capital A33. You can use any of these formulas. These are with rows. Same thing you can find with the columns also. A11 into capital A11, A21 into capital A21, A31 into capital A31. That way also you can. So only thing is, you must remember the determinant can be obtained by the sum of the products of elements and their cofactors. You must remember this. Problem number 3. Using cofactors of the elements of second row. Now, you are asked to find this value using the elements of the second row. What is the formula? A21, this one, into the cofactor of 2. Eliminating this row and the column, you are left with 3, 8, 2, 3. What is the formula? A21 into capital A21. How we get capital A21? Minus 1 power of I plus j into Mij, where M is the mean R. Now, second row means this is the element in the second row, first column. This element into the cofactor of this is nothing but minus 1 power of I plus j into the mean or value means eliminating this row and column. So this is 2 into minus 1 into 9 minus 16 AD minus BC. 2 into minus 1 into 2. Eliminating this row and this column, 5, 8, 1, 3 plus third element 1 into 1 power of second row, third column, eliminating this row and this column, 5, 3, 1, 2. Delta is equal to A21 into capital A21 plus A22 into capital A22, A23 into capital A23, where A21, A22, A23 are the elements and capital A21, A22, A23 are the cofactors. This is equal to 2 into minus 1 into how much? 9 minus 15 plus 0 into everything is 0 plus 1 power 5 is 1 into 10 minus 3. This is equal to 2 into minus 1 into minus 7 plus 0 minus plus 1 into 7. So this is equal to how much? Minus into minus is plus 2 7s are 14 plus 0 plus 7 is equal to 21. The value will be same if you consider any row elements or any column elements. Sorry, here it is minus. Make a correction, please. This becomes 7. This is 7 is the answer. Minus 1 power of I plus B. Copy down that. Problem number 4, you try it because it is little bit lengthy. You must know good factorization and all these things. If you can, it is okay. Or else, when you attend the classes, I'll be giving or I'll be sending the WhatsApp because it requires heavy working. The time will not be sufficient now. See, problem number 5, if delta is equal to so much and Aij is cofactor of small aij, then value of delta is given by, already I wrote. See, whichever suits, that is the answer. Which suits? You observe that. consider the rows. A11 into capital A11, A21 into capital A21, A31 into capital A31. Where you have that? You have option number D. So you complete these problems. Then in the next class I will be going for exercise 4.5.